Say hello to benefits with BHM. We're proud to be known as the Health Insurance Rebels. When you work with us, there are 13 free benefits that come standard with every single one of our packages. During your benefit meeting, your agent will show you several different options to make sure that you have selections within your budget with your desired coverage for your group. Here at BHM, we don't believe in pushy sales. So at the end of your benefits meeting, when all your questions have been answered, your agent will leave you alone for you to think over your decision and make the best one for your organization. We understand we're not the best fit for everyone, and we never want you to feel pressured to make a decision one way or another. We know you're busy, so let's review the free coverage before your agent even shows up. First up, PlushCare. Get personalized, high-quality care from top U.S. medical doctors, all from the ease of your smartphone or computer. We've got you covered with accessible, affordable appointments from our best-in-class telehealth partners. Appointments are available through PlushCare app, web, and by phone. Next up, LabCorp. Get tested with convenient labs taken at your doctor's office or a local service center. We're proud to partner with LabCorp, a nationwide network of over 1,700 patient service centers for convenient specimen collection and testing. Most plans qualify for free labs through LabCorp. This includes tests collected by your doctor and sent to LabCorp, as well as tests taken at a LabCorp patient service center. Next up, Green Imaging. Depending on your plan, you can get free or discounted imaging services through our partner, Green Imaging. Green Imaging has hundreds of locations across the U.S. where they offer comprehensive imaging and radiology services, including CTs, MRIs, mammograms, ultrasounds, PET, ecograms, interventional pain management, and more. Next up, ClassPass. We believe self-care is healthcare, and with ClassPass, our members get 10 free credits to use towards any kind of self-care that makes their heart happy. For some, that's going to be a physical activity like yoga, meditation, cycling, dance, or just regular gym time. Self-care for me looks more like massages, cryotherapy, saunas, manicures, pedicures, and hair care. With ClassPass, the choice is yours. Your 10 free credits will continue to show up month after month, so you can even test out different types of self-care to find what works best for you. There are thousands of providers, and this is a nationwide service, so even when you're on vacation, you can still utilize your self-care. We believe that if we pour into you first, you're going to be able to be the happiest, healthiest version of yourself. Next up, Vida. From weight loss to therapy, Vida has you covered on your whole health journey. Get virtual access to health coaches with proven success in helping people manage chronic conditions, behavioral health, and lifestyle. Whether you want to focus on nutrition, weight loss, mental health, or simply building healthy habits one day at a time, your coach will develop a personal plan and guide you every step of the way. Next up, Ginger. Here at BHM, we don't believe that mental health should be left out of your healthcare options. We believe that mental health should be free and accessible for every single person in the United States. That's why we partner with Ginger to give you quality mental care from the convenience of your smartphone. Set up a recurring meeting or just use it on an as-needed basis, whatever fits your mental health needs. You'll get paired with a coach, therapist, or psychiatrist based on what your goals are for your mental health. Next up, Sword Health. Sword offers the industry's first end-to-end clinical musculoskeletal pain management solution designed with busy lifestyles in mind. Relieve pain by up to 70% from the comfort of your home with a dedicated physical therapist and easy-to-use wearable technology. Wherever and whenever it hurts, Sword can help. For knees, back, shoulder, neck, elbows, hips, ankles, wrists, and pelvics. Next up, 2ndMD. Did you know, on average, people pay $200 to $400 for a second opinion? That's because most other large carriers make you get a second opinion from somebody who's out of network. With BHM, there's no such thing as an out-of-network doctor, and there's no such thing as a costly second opinion. If you don't agree with the diagnosis, you don't agree with the medication, or you need a second opinion for a surgery in order to have it covered by health insurance, 2ndMD's got your back. In fact, they'll even pay you a $500 deductible credit after your first consultation just to make sure you have access to the best medical certainty possible. Next up, Connect DME. The cost of medical equipment has gotten ridiculous. Connect DME provides top-of-the-line customized medical equipment delivered right to your door. All you need is a prescription for the durable medical equipment. They'll provide anything from knee, ankle, and joint braces to CPAP, BiPAP nebulizers, cold and heat therapy, CPM machines, knee wheelers, crutches, wheelchairs, breast pumps, diabetic supplies, and so much more. Gone are the days of spending hundreds of dollars out of pocket per month for insulin pumps or other necessary life-saving medical equipment. Next up, Edison Healthcare and Carrum Health. Get easy access to specialty care at world-class hospitals for procedures and conditions, including spine, orthopedic, heart, valve replacement, transplant surgeries, cancer diagnosis, stem cell therapy, joint surgery, and other complex conditions. The last thing you need to be doing after a hard diagnosis is worrying about travel or who's going to go with you and finances. And that's where we come in. Our partners, Edison Healthcare and Carrum Health, take care of all travel expenses and a daily per diem for you plus a companion. That way, all you have to do is focus on getting healthy and reducing your stress levels. Next up, Blueberry. Blueberry is on-demand 24/7 virtual pediatric care plus a free medical toolkit to help diagnose your child's conditions quickly. Let's say that your kiddo wakes up not feeling well and there's a stomach bug that's been going around at school. You know that's probably what it is, but you still need a doctor's note to keep them home for the day and not have an absence. Blueberry is the perfect place to get his doctor's note without having to pay a $25 copay to go into a physical doctor. Doctors typically respond within minutes, and pediatrician advice on potty training, breastfeeding, food safety, and sleeping through the night is just a text away. Blueberry is more convenient than ERs or urgent cares, and follow-ups with every family within 24 hours, as well as hourly care if you need it. Blueberry also gives you access to comprehensive visits. This allows you to get to know your doctor while they get to know your family. And if you need to, you can request a Spanish-speaking doctor as well. You'll receive a free medical kit after completing enrollment, and that'll contain an otoscope, thermometer, and pulse oximeter to help you and your virtual doctor diagnose conditions quickly and effectively. Next up, Maven. Maven helps new and expecting parents sleep better at night, knowing that they always have access to a specialist if anything should happen. Maven keeps you up to date with the milestones that you should be looking for and lets you know when you should go seek additional medical attention in case those milestones are not being met. Have a question while you're going through your pregnancy? Maven's there to help. No more unnecessary visits to the ER or urgent care. Maven will make sure that you get to the doctor when you need to and can reassure you when it's not necessary. And last but not least, Dispatch Health. We're bringing back the house calls for urgent care in select areas, thanks to our partner, Dispatch Health. This benefit is only available in limited areas at the time, but it's constantly expanding. And you can even go to dispatchhealth.com/locations to see if your zip code is currently covered. To utilize this service, you'll call the phone number for Dispatch Health, provide patient information, tell them what's going on. They'll provide an ETA. The medical team will assess your patient, diagnosis, and treat as appropriate, and then you'll receive a copy of the summary visit. Well, there you have it. Those are the free benefits that come standard with every single one of BHM's packages. Next up, your benefits meeting. Let your agent know if you had any questions about these benefits. See you soon.